Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend has officially ended. It is time to get back on the Monday grind. And I got an awesome work week watch face for you all to check out. That's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It is definitely worth a download. It's going to be a dressed down digital watch face. So make sure you check it out and download ASAP. Now, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called FSD119 Dual Time. I thought it was a great look for a everyday wear. Now in the AOD mode, you are gonna get the same look, the same layout, same information, and it's gonna be in a greenish type of color. Now for the Gears 2, it's gonna look slightly different, but you'll still be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now I thought this was a great look for a watch face. I thought the developer did a really good job with this. I like the moon phase that's up at the top. It gives clouds, kind of tell you what the weather is going to be for the most part. Now you come down right up under that, you are going to get the day of the week. It's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. You come down, you get your date, you get your battery percentage. You're going to also get your step info along with miles walked or ran. Now, if you look to the left, you will get your digital time, very legible. And this is going to be a 24-hour watch face as well. You come down, you will be able to get your heart rate information and calories burned. But if you look around the bezel of the watch, you're going to be able to go into things like you're going to be able to make a phone call, go into your messages, alarm, music, weather, settings, things of that nature. And with a single tap, you'll be able to go into it. So if you're on your run and you need your music, you are good to go. Now, what I like about the watch face is that you can single tap and you can change the look of the watch face so far as the color theme is concerned. And this is not bad at all. Question is, what do you think? For a free watch face, I thought this was definitely worth the download. But again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.